With all the stresses of everyday life, it's important that we take some time out for ourselves. Pampering doesn't always need to come with a heavy price tag or include an entire day spent at the spa. You can enjoy some quality me time in the comfort of your own home. After all, whether you're a working woman, stay-at-home mom, or a new bride, everyone deserves a break. Hi, I'm Tanisha, and today I'm going to share with you 5 uber relaxing ways that you can pamper yourself right at home. It's so nice to place our tired hands and feet in a warm soak, especially when you've been working all day long. But going to the salon or spa daily is not an easy option for most of us, right? So here's a glamorous approved home spa DIY. Dissolve half a cup of Epsom salt and a few drops of eucalyptus oil in a small tub. And then soak your hands and feet for about 15 to 20 minutes and then massage in small circular motions. This soothing and moisturizing soak will immediately refresh your aching limbs and is a great way to indulge in some lavish self-pampering. One of the most relaxing ways to indulge in some pampering is to use an aromatic indulging body lotion right after you shower or before you head to bed. We use Nivea's oil and lotion because it has a great combination of precious natural oils, a delicate fragrance, and it really feels super luxe. It will also moisturize your skin for 24 hours, leaving it soft and smooth all day long. All in all, apart from being an indulgent little secret, it's also a perfect addition to your daily moisturizing routine. Plus, it comes in 3 variants: rose and argan oil, vanilla and almond oil, and our favorite cherry blossom in jojoba oil. Everyone, and I mean everyone, will agree to this when I say a good face mask is all you need to instantly transport you to the magical land of calm. And it is a simple yet fancy way to nourish your skin and rejuvenate your senses. For this magic face mask, combine 1 tablespoon of matcha green tea and a few drops of rose water. Mix well until you get a thick paste that's easy to spread onto your skin. Let it set for 20 minutes and then wipe off with a warm wet towel. This little concoction will not only hydrate and moisturize your face, but will also exfoliate and brighten your dull skin. So just sit back, relax, and let it work its magic. Any pampering spa treatment is incomplete without a great massage that makes you fall asleep. While we can't help with the falling asleep part, we do have an at-home soothing massage routine that will have you melting like butter in your own hands. Place both hands on either side of your head and apply some light pressure at the base of your skull as you massage in a circular motion. And then pull the skin on your scalp forward slightly with your thumb. Do this for a couple of minutes for the ultimate tension release. Now you can fall asleep and dream of things that make you happy. As we all know, food makes everything better, and I'm sure most of you will agree. Now during self-care, one ought to feel relaxed, and what's a better way to loosen up than to indulge in some fancy foods like chocolates, strawberries, and avocados. These foods will not only help you relax, but they are also amazing mood lifters that will refresh your mind and help you get your mojo back. This is the best way to end your pampering session. Having a spa day at home can be just as relaxing and amazing as a day spent someplace fancy and expensive. So pick out a time when you won't have any interruptions, turn off your mobile phone, light some candles to set the scene, and I'm sure this will become your indulgence routine. I'm Tanisha, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time with more useful tips. Until then, stay tuned and stay glamorous.